Hello everyone, this is Miss Berlin, and on this video we will be discussing citing secondary sources, or how do you properly cite a source that was referenced within another source. And we should know that when we are citing a source that is referenced in another work, which is what we call the secondary source, you should ideally locate and consult the original source. However, if that's not possible, you can cite the secondary source. This is done by indicating both the original author and the secondary source in your text. But only the secondary source appears in your reference list. Here's an example for you to understand. For example, suppose you are reading a book by Smith, 2021, and Smith cites a paper by Johnson, 2015. So how do you cite this one? For in-text citation in APA 7th edition, you will have here Johnson 2015 as cited and Smith 2021. According to Johnson 2015 as cited in Smith 2021, students benefit greatly from peer-led discussions. That is the example. And then for in-text citation in MLA 9th edition, Johnson argues that students benefit greatly from peer-led discussions quoted in Smith 2021. Another example is in-text citation in Chicago style. You will have the author date, that is Johnson 2015 as cited in Smith 2021, argues that students benefit from peer-led discussions. And then how do you put the reference in the reference list? You only include the work you consulted, which is Smith 2021, in your bibliography or references. Here, for example, for APA, this one, for MLA, and for the Chicago. So that's all for this lecture video.